Introduction to URL Shortener systems.
A URL shortener transforms long web addresses into shorter, more manageable links. These tools are popular for sharing on social media, tracking clicks, and managing links more easily. Designing a scalable URL shortener requires understanding core features, user requirements, and how to handle millions of requests efficiently.
Key components of a URL shortener.
An effective URL shortener consists of several main parts: an interface to accept the original long URL, a method to generate a unique shortened code, a database to map codes to URLs, and a redirect service to send users to the right address. Reliability and low latency are essential for a smooth user experience.
Generating unique shortcodes.
Shortcodes are typically made by encoding a unique database identifier or creating a random string. Base62 encoding is a popular choice, using letters and numbers for compact codes. Collision handling, ensuring each code is unique, is critical. Some systems also allow custom shortcodes, adding flexibility for users.
Building for scalability and high traffic.
To handle high traffic, the system should implement caching, use a distributed database, and balance the load across multiple servers. Read and write operations should be fast, and redundancy must prevent service outages. Using tools like load balancers and database sharding helps support millions of redirects daily.
Security, analytics, and future growth.
A scalable URL shortener should guard against abuse like spam and phishing. Analytics features let users track link clicks and usage patterns. As the user base grows, consider geolocation-based redirects, custom branding, and expanded APIs. Planning for future needs ensures the system stays efficient and reliable.